2736 Sandalwood. We have rock in the front and the back. There are 2 satellite dishes which we've been removing. This garage door looks pretty good. The wood frame around it looks like it's been painted recently, or it just looks like it's in good condition. I'm not really seeing a lot that needs to be done to this property. So we have tile at the entry and also follows through to a designated dining area, which is fantastic. We have hard surface counters. The cabinets are in great condition. We have the 2.5-inch faux wood blinds, undermount sink, gooseneck faucet, space saver microwave. We just need a fridge. We have a beautiful range. And then we have carpet in what's probably an office area. We already have a ton of concrete laid down, a little bit of shaded area, but we don't really need much because this is the north side of the house and it really isn't going to get a lot of sun. The house provides a lot of the shade. We already have concrete leading to the front of the house. Look how private this backyard is too. 1 story is behind us, 1 story is beside us. It's great. Pretty high walls. I think that they're about 5 feet, 8 inches or so, give or take. We have tile around the dual-sided fireplace, which is a really nice plus. We need to adjust this back door so it locks easily, but I mean, that's incredibly minor. But yeah, so you can enjoy the fireplace in the dining area or the living area, which is what this would be. We have French doors to the master, which has its own sliding door. 2 closets. Cabinets are in great condition. Hard surface counters. Upgraded light fixture. This toilet area is not shut off. It does not have a door, which a lot of people prefer, but it is a little more private with this little wall here. Maybe paint that attic access. Great blinds. It's great to have a fan and a light kit in these extra bedrooms. Remove those cables over there. Make sure all the closet doors slide easily. The paint looks like it's in great condition. These cabinets look fine. Washer and dryer look fine. Okay. Sorry, I didn't mean to sign that. And this bathroom is for guests and for the 2 smaller bedrooms. Upgraded light fixture, undermount sink, hard counters. Really looks good. We could probably take that blind down, but that's a property manager call because it's frosted.